flight time is expected to be 1 hour and 35 minutes. Kindly make sure that your hand baggage is stowed safely and has not the hour on the emergency exit. Please switch off your laptop and place it in your hand baggage.
We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times, even when the seatbelt sign is off. In the event of emergency, on the app or you to start to flow. Place that right yellow strap over your nose and nose, securing it behind the empty lounge strap. Pull on the two loose ends at the front to tighten. The seat start